Hello everyone, this is Srinivasan Rajendran. Today we are going to discuss a topic called logical operators. Okay, we have been discussed so far with so many operators. The one of the operator in a C program which is called as logical operators. So logical, it has a certain expressions or logics between the variable. It will check the logic between the variable. If the condition is true, it will display true. If the condition is false, it will display the false. So it will not deliberately printing the output as true. It will be print the output as 1, which means it is true. If it is 0, which means it is false. Okay, so by look at the definitions, logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values by combining multiple conditions. Why they are saying multiple conditions? Okay, you have an expression, for example, x less than 5, that is also an expression. X less than 10, that is also an expression. So here the logic between the variables x less than 5, if the x value is really less than 5, it will be considered as true. X less than 10, if the x value is less than 10, it will be considered as true. Logical and what it will say, both the expressions, which means the left hand side expression and right hand side expression is true or 1, the return is 1. Why? The reason is because the and operation which clearly tells you that, like, if the both the operations are true. Okay, both the operations are true. So my left hand side expressions and right hand side expression is true, then it will display true. Or means if any of the one condition is true, for example, it will check the left side x less than 5. If this particular condition is true, then it need not to worry about the right hand side, because if any of the one condition is true, it will anyhow the result will be true. But if the left hand side expression is false, then it will check the right hand side, because right hand side expression might be true. Okay, and not, if the output is true, it will display as false. If the output is false, it will be display as true. This is such a very easiest operators, logical operator. It basically checks the expressions and whether it is going to return a true or false. This is also, we can say, it is a boolean value. The output is a boolean value. Let me see the program in detail. The first line states that header file hash include stdio.h and followed by int main, and we have declared three variables a, b, c. So the variable a assigned with the value 5, the variable b assigned with the value 5, the variable c assigned with the value 10, and we have one more variable. We are not assigning any value to the variable. So what it will do, result equal a equals b and c greater than b. What is a? A value is 5. What is b? B value is 5. So according to that concept, 5 equals 5 and what is c? C is 10. 10 is greater than 5. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. So my left side is true and right side is true. So the output will be result is always true. True in the sense the result will store as a value 1. So that is what I am trying to print here. So and or not. Again the next condition, a equal b and c less than b. Now obviously c less than b is false here. So the result is 0. So likewise logical or and not operator. Okay, because there are three operators, and or not. Okay, so this is much important. In bitwise also we have seen operators. Okay, so it will check each and every bits of the value, but here logical operator which tells you the expressions, evaluating the expressions on the left hand side as well as the right hand side. Okay, based on that the output will get printed. Either it will get printed 1 or it will get printed 0. 1 means true, 0 means false. I hope you would have liked this video. If you like the video, please click the like button, please share it with your friends, and if you feel that like I want to make a more video on any particular topic, please leave me in a comment. I will definitely give you the video. Okay, thank you all.